so I'm going to go ISO 1600. I think I'm going to go in aperture at f8. That takes me at 50th a second. Wow. I'm going to do 1 over and 1 under. Let's see what happens.
I saw every shattered pane and every shadow in the waiting.
I think one of the hardest things to do is actually get out with your camera, get your camera out of your bag and take pictures. And once you do that, then it just that frame of mind.
It's going to pop up in it, something's going to...
I think also experience I've had with doing weddings and stuff, the expectations is you've got to get the shots end off. Where here, if you don't get out, it doesn't really matter.
I saw every shattered pane and every shadow in the waiting and every fear without a name. I saw every crimson tail light flame. Every step beyond the walls, and truth lay in the street forgotten. But I will not leave you lost.
We went to Whitney, right, steam pump thing with a washer. Weather were pretty crap. We ended up going on to Sand End, which kind of saved it photographically for me. I didn't get any very good photos. But I had a great day out.
Yeah. 1 second. Can I give you £1 and take your picture, mate? Is that all right? Yeah. There you go. Straight into the lead. There you go. Thank you, mate.
No worries. Thank you very much.
All the best, pal.
I saw every shattered pane.
Well, there's not much difference on somebody being really wealthy and somebody being on street, and I respect that.
They say you're only one car crash away.
Absolutely.
And every shadow in the waiting.
I tell you what'd be nice with that, a bit of delayed shot to get some streaks of red lights or whatever going through it. What do we say? You count how far it moves, don't you? And that's how far you want your trails. I'd be interested to do as well is what photographing somebody going past like this bus, for instance.
Just to get the background.
Yeah, half a second's a bit too slow. Well, it's like one of your first pictures, isn't it?
You're a bit too sharp.
Yeah, quarter of a second's quite nice for handheld. See a building here and loads of neon lights and a bit of movement and reflections.
That sounds highly experimental.
Sorry, do you know how to get into the train station from here?
Yeah.
You want to tell?
Just go up there and turn right. George! I'm going back to the shot that she up. George! Hi George, in Porgy, isn't it? Is your camera broken? I think so. I've never known how like it in life. Sticking your fingers inside of your camera and you can already die.
It's very old. You need to use it more, George. I don't. I couldn't think heard, George.
Well, it says Canon is supposed to be like that, I guess. Just rip it off. We've been here for 2 hours or whatever. Ben's got one in focus so far, so we're good.
We nearly went over when I got that one in focus.
I saw every shattered pane and every shadow in the waiting and every fear without a name. I saw every crimson tail light flame. Every step beyond the walls, and truth lay in the street forgotten. But I will not leave you lost. Can't you see I've loved you all along? And I will find you. I don't fear the night. I'm burning through